So in this video you will see Dragon Ball characters in without clothes mode. So first one is Goku. Goku is a Super Saiyan. And then Vegeta. Vegeta is also a Saiyan. And then Piccolo. Piccolo is a Namekian. And then Gogeta. Gogeta is a fusion. And then Gohan. Gohan is a hybrid. And then Vegito. Vegito is a fusion of Goku and Vegeta by Potara. And then Whis. Whis is an angel. And then Bardock. Bardock is the father of Goku and he is also a Saiyan. And then Caulifla. Caulifla is also a Saiyan from another universe. And then Kale. Kale is a legendary Super Saiyan from another universe. And then Gotenks. Gotenks is fusion of Goten and Trunks by the fusion dance. Gotenks is one of the best fusion. Wait for the Gotenks. And then Piccolo. And then Hit. Hit is a warrior from another universe. And then Android 18. And then Beerus. Beerus is a destroyer. And then Jiren. Jiren is a warrior from another universe. And then Android 17. And then Krillin. Krillin is a woman. And then Android 21. And then Reddit. Reddit is a villain. And then May. May is a wife of Trunks. And then Broly. Broly is legendary Super Saiyan. And then Zeno. Zeno is creator of the universe. And then Grand Priest. Grand Priest is the father of all the angels. And then Vados. Vados is also an angel. And then Yamcha. Yamcha is a woman. Wait for the Yamcha. Yamcha is one of the best characters. Like for the Yamcha. And then Kefla. And then Bulma. And then also Bulma. And then Chi-Chi. And then Tien. Tien is a woman who has 3 eyes. And then Videl. And then Goku Black. And then Majin Buu. And then Goku. And then Vegeta. And then Piccolo. Wait for the Piccolo. And then Gogeta. Gogeta is a fusion by the fusion dance. And then Gohan. Gohan is a son of Goku and Chi-Chi. And then Vegito. And then Whis. Whis is one of the best and powerful angel. Wait for the Whis. Whis is the trainer of Beerus. Like for the Whis. And then Bardock. Bardock is father of Goku. And then Caulifla. And then Kale. And then Gotenks. And the last one is Piccolo. That's for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Bye.